In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Activecampaign, a crucial skill for anyone looking to streamline their marketing workflows. We'll go through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to get this done efficiently. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to Activecampaign's website, which is the marketing automation platform we're working with. You can easily find it online or use the link provided in the description if you have one handy. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the upper right corner and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be taken to the login page. This is where you'll need to type in your account name. Remember, this is the name you registered with, so make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered your account name, it's time to proceed, so click on the login button. If everything is set up correctly, you'll be taken to your Activecampaign dashboard. From the dashboard, navigating to import your contacts is quite straightforward. Look for the contacts section in the menu. It's usually on the left hand side. Click on contacts and it will bring you to a new page where you can see all your existing contacts and any options for adding new ones. On this contacts page, you'll notice an option labeled import. That's exactly what we're looking for, so go ahead and click on import. This will start the process of bringing in new contacts from an external source. After selecting import, the next step is to choose the method of import. In our case, we want to click on import from file. This option allows you to upload a file, usually a CSV or Excel document, containing all the contact information you wish to add. Before you click on it, ensure that your file is ready and formatted correctly, as it will save you a lot of hassles later on. A well-prepared file simplifies the import process and minimizes errors. Once you've hit import from file, follow the prompts to upload your file, and Activecampaign will guide you through the mapping process, ensuring that all the fields, like names and emails, align correctly between your file and the application. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Activecampaign, setting the stage for effective communication and marketing efforts. Remember, the key to mastering any platform is to familiarize yourself with these processes, ensuring you can perform them quickly and easily whenever needed. I hope this guide offered clarity and confidence in navigating Activecampaign's contact import feature. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to check the resources linked in the video description for support. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.